Thanks for your introduction. My name is Ken. From Korea. We would like to introduce for the global business plan for financial and public and distribution sector, and with our integrated anti-counterfeiting service platform. So there is a lot of some threat, and then for the clouding system, and then some digital identification in this banking financial sector. As the AI technology is grown up, there are some big social risk, and for the digital identification with the fake ID document. So regarding of some distribution sector, and for example, and Korea is a cosmetics manufacturer have a big headache, and for the fake product, and then from China, and then Southeast Asian countries. So it's such as based on such as background, and there's we are concentrating on the first step, and by the blockchain is a strategy from financial sector. We are some it's the authorization is authentication and then notarization issues. So we provide a product, and there's some a forensic product, and there's for the public, and then it's valuable documents. We are providing this product as some mobile and desktop. Let's see the clip. So we also have some full database system a forensic image database. In the further is a global national ID, and there's a passport, and there's a banknote as well. So we are providing some monthly a live updating service and for client. And by using over some a full database system, and we are realize some automatic authentication is a checking function. It's some forever. For a while, is a public, and then is a financial expert, and then verify authentication is by, and this full trained is a naked eye only. But is however is we could realize in this automatic is authentication is a function. It's by using over the data and algorithm. Yes, it's so innovative and at this field. So we also provide this as a eKYC application for the digital identification. Let's see the clip. So also provide is a brand is a protection solution for the real asset. So let's see the clip. So it's a cloud-based in this service platform. It's the e-commerce mode is also built-in is our service platform. So this is a full architecture, and this is integrated anti-counterfeiting the service platform. It's a service name is DeepID. So let's see the specific scenario. This is for the digital identification is for public sector. Is the Korean government is launched is a mobile is a driver license service. So it's by using of our platform is we could is provide is a forensic authentication function, and is eKYC is application is as well. So next scenario is a financial sector. This is a remote untacted some forensic works platform, and the between is a headquarter and then branch office. Usually, it is a financial is a bank is operating is anti-counterfeiting department. There is a headquarter. So it's our platform could be support is to communicate in the forensic work between is a headquarter and then the branch office. So next one is for the to adapt for the banknote forgery service is we could provide is automatic authentication function, and is also could be is issue some digital is certificate for the search history for the detection. So next one is like as ID verification is between government and the bank branch. So in Korea, is like as we are matching is like OCR information is between is like a government and then branch office. So is by using of a platform, and is we could provide like some like a physical authentication and is like as a digital authentication is a function together. So last scenario is like for the digital is a verification is like for the stamp and then signage, signature on the valuable document. Is like some we could in the collect is like as a digital fingerprint information from the stamp and the signature on the value on the document. Then is like as by using of some like a smartphone is a camera function, it could collect some like as information on the some our server store on the server, and then the verify is like via smartphone is an application. So it could is a issue is a digital certifications as well. Yeah. So our platforms could be adapted as a financial, public, retail, appraiser is like a sector in broaden. So it's like we are based in Korea. It's like our consortium is like consists of some like applied science and association, and then Ernst Young is like Korea. It's the global is accounting, and there's like a consulting is a firm. So we have some structuring is like a global entity in Japan and Vietnam. So our partner actually is like a financial institute in Korea. Is like they have some strategy for the new ASEAN is like some strategy. So it's like we'd like to like get together and with our partners. So we have some 3 years up to 3 years roadmap. Is shortly is like we have established reference in the public sector in Korea, and then this year we'd like to expand is like a business model to the financial sector, and is like finally is like we are willing to focus on the distribution sector, sectors as well. Yeah, thanks very much.